We are out here at the Utah Salt Flats.
You go.
What is up out there? Well, tomorrow is the big day. We jump in the car, we head to Windover, Utah. It's on the Utah-Nevada border. They have casinos in Nevada, obviously Utah they don't. So that's the plan. We're finishing the last minute things we have to do. I'm gonna go get a haircut, packing up my stuff. Man, it's starting to hit me now. I lived here so long. I moved in this place when I was like 22, 23 years old. Now I'm 38 years old, and I'm finally taking that big step to move to Las Vegas, Nevada. You guys are gonna follow the journey. I'm gonna do daily vlogs, my first 30 days living in Las Vegas. I'm buying a house down there. It's been like an up and down road with the buying the house with the FHA and everything like that. So the first 4 nights in Vegas, we're gonna stay at Excalibur. I do have that comped. And then the 5 nights after that, we're gonna stay at Treasure Island. So there's 9 nights. After that, if I'm not in the house by then, we're gonna have to get an Airbnb, rent an apartment or something. But you guys are gonna follow along, and I definitely appreciate everybody that watches my videos. Subscribe if you're new here. It's gonna be a crazy journey, but you guys are coming with. But at about 4 in the morning, we're hitting the road right now. It's almost 10 a.m. Friday, August 14th right now. My last little vlog inside the apartment. I'm gonna do a little walkthrough after this when I get everything moved out. And man, it's finally hit me, guys. We're headed to Las Vegas. The journey's gonna be epic. We got a job we're starting on the 24th, and let's do it, guys. The way to Windover, Utah. We're about 260 miles out. Mom's doing great at driving, but we do need to find a rest area. Destiny, the cat, is in the kennel. She's kind of curled up in a ball in the corner, but I think she is a little nervous, so we're gonna have to find this rest area.
Let you go.
Our first stop at the rest area. So I had to go to the bathroom this time. It wasn't Mom, it was me, because I drank some drinks on the way here. So, but we're not too far out. I think we're about 3 hours and 40 minutes away. So we'll probably grab something to eat in Rock Springs.
I won't let you go.
We just stopped in Rock Springs. We're gonna get some gas and we're gonna get some food. Now Mom's coming back.
I need a mask.
Need a mask. All right, you gotta get a mask. And we'll probably just get some McDonald's because it's just easy and convenient, and it's morning. We weren't even gonna get that big of a meal because we'll probably eat lunch somewhere. But we're in Rock Springs now.
Oh, Paris, I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go.
We made it to Utah, so now we only have like 2 hours to Windover, a little less. We're getting there. It's like 12:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time right now, and it's been a pretty good drive. Spent about 70-80 bucks on gas from Cheyenne, Wyoming, and that'll give us a full tank. We should get all the way there. So I'm guessing about $120, $130 in gas all the way to Vegas.
Let you go.
We're over here on I-80 West, headed towards Windover, and it was crazy. I kept looking outside. You see that? So the Morton Salt Plant is right down the street, Grantsville, Utah. And I'm still doing a little research, but I think that's salt from the Morton Salt Plant. It's so strange. It's pretty cool though. You know, it's been a real good road trip. We got like 80 miles to Windover. Everything's went smooth, knock on wood. But we're almost there, guys. And we're gonna get there about 2 o'clock Pacific time. And then we're gonna stay the night there. We found a hotel that'll allow Mom's cat in, so that's awesome. And yeah, but she ain't really eating nothing because she's probably stressed out. I understand. She doesn't really travel, but she's being calm and laying down, so that's good news. But we continue on. If I see anything else cool, I will definitely show you all. There's some really good scenery, mountains, and everything around here. It's been a really cool drive. Me and Mom have had a good time. It's been a little stressful at times because of the weird exits and this and that and stuff like that, but we're on the right track. We're almost there. So we will see you at the slot pull. We are out here at the Utah Salt Flats. It's crazy out here. You guys can see behind me. We're actually at the rest stop. I had to go to the bathroom and I was like, man, I gotta check this out. And everybody's out here. Got cars out there. It's just crazy out here. It's so cool. It's like hard as a rock down here. It's something I've never seen in my life, to be honest. I've never been to Utah. This is my first time, so man, it's really cool to be out here. It's just a eerie, strange feeling to be out here. I hope you guys enjoyed checking some of these sites out. We are about 20 miles away from Windover, and right now we're headed that way. Nugget Casino, and Mom has to stay in the room because the cat, they won't let her leave the room without taking the cat with her. So here I am. We're gonna go check it out and see what's going on up here. Just got out of Wendover Nugget. I said Golden Nugget at first. I don't know what the hell I was talking about. It's Wendover Nugget. And that was a nightmare. I put in about 220, ended up walking out there with about 170. And they were sticklers on filming. I couldn't sit there and film. They were up my ass every time I'd even pull a cat. No filming. So I couldn't even do a live stream. But we're gonna go across the street right now to Montego Bay. See what we can do, pull up this live stream and see if we can stream without getting kicked out of this place. But it's huge. Check it out, guys. See, look at this big old place. It's huge. So yeah, we're gonna go over here, check it out, and see how the action is. I might play a little blackjack because I'm not having too good at luck in slots, so we'll see how that goes. That did not go well. Down 130 in there. I did grab some food from their little grill place. I got some patty melt fries and 2 cheesecakes. That's the end of the gambling. Tried to do the live stream. I got shut down. So we're gonna head back to the room, eat our food, and that's pretty much gonna be the end of this. Appreciate you guys tuning in for the journey. We're gonna head out to Las Vegas. Next time on The Life of JT. Made it to Vegas!